talking about our kitchen lately and how there's absolutely no character whatsoever left in our kitchen. And so the plan is to add that character back in. I just so happen to have a good friend that lives a town over, and he has a company called Historic Lightworks. He happens to have an entire barn full of antique lighting. So what I'm looking for is a set of 4 matching either pendant lights or semi-flush lights. So my plan is I'm running through to get some food and some drink because Mama needs some caffeine this morning. Yes, can I get a small green tea latte with no whipped cream? And a breakfast burrito with no meat, and that's it. Awesome, thank you. I'm excited about my mochas. Awesome, thank you. I have a YouTube channel, so you're like, this is weird. Thanks, you too. A lot of times in these old farmsteads, people are still living. They always have dogs that run up and bark at you. Which most people would be freaked out about that, but you know, I love animals, so I'm like, oh, a new friend. Hi.
What?
You're not barking at me anymore.
So,
This might be my favorite barn that you have. I love it in here. What's the oldest light or light parts you think you have in here?
Probably about 1860s.
1860s?
Yeah.
So cool. What year would you date those shades that you have?
They're probably from the 20s.
Okay, cool. Yeah, no, those would work.
This one's purple. I thought it was from back there.
Oh, it does look a little purple.
Yeah. And see, a lot of them over time they'll change. And it's just a
That's cool.
reaction with the glass. But
So it might not have originally been purple?
no, they weren't. And what it does is it just, like you'll see some gloves that they'll really turn.
These will work great.
Okay.
I need to be happy with just having 4 antique. I'm like getting distracted like, wait, do you have some of those? Wait, do you have any of these?
No, it's fine.
You just have so much cool shit in here. So what we ended up deciding on for antique lighting is Kevin had 4 shades, antique shades from about the 1920s that had a very unique shape that I don't personally see a lot of. You guys might, but at least in Western Kansas or when I'm looking on eBay, I just don't see a lot of these shades. He actually can get very high quality reproduction lighting and shades. So what I chose to do is go with antique shades because I want the real antiques, and the actual pendant part with the electrical will be reproduction. And the reason I'm going that direction is so that we don't have to rewire anything. Everything's up to code. Their reproductions are reproduced down to the T. So I'm really happy with the route that we're going, and I'm really excited that he had 4 of anything matching because that's really hard. So stay tuned because I can't wait to show you the lights when we get everything ready, and I can't wait to put those up in our kitchen.